Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to solve mobile network problem in Oppo K10 phone guys. You want to solve your mobile network problem guys. So you can solve in this video guys. I will show you how to solve it. And guys you want to reset your mobile network problem. So guys you can reset it. So let's see how to do it in Oppo phone. So first of all guys I want to tell you if you're in my channel and you are watching video first time. So first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting, then guys scroll it and guys come on system setting. The system setting as you can see, then guys come in last backup and reset. Guys click on reset phone, then guys you can see mobile network, click here. And guys you have pattern, so you will have to do a pattern. And guys you can see reset network setting, so we will click on this reset network setting. So guys network reset complete. So guys your mobile network problem will solve in your phone Oppo. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.